Ever felt lost in translation during a Weverse live? Fear no more, because understanding your favorite artists is about to get a whole lot easier. Alright, first things first, make sure you have the Weverse app installed and you're logged into your account. Go ahead and open the app now. Navigate to the Weverse live stream you want to watch. Tap on the live stream to enter into the viewing screen. Look for the CC icon, which stands for closed captions, or a subtitles icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner of the video player. Tap on that icon. A menu will pop up showing you the available subtitle languages. Scroll through the options and select the language you want to use. For this example, let's select English. And just like that, subtitles are enabled. You should now see the translated text at the bottom of the screen. Enjoy the live stream, knowing exactly what your favorite artists are saying. Turning on subtitles really allows you to engage with the content and be part of the global community. Now you can understand every word, every joke, and every heartfelt message. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow international fans. Happy Weversing!